Hey, Mike here. So here we are in Somerset County, Pennsylvania, on a state road. This is managed by PennDOT. Yeah, so I live here, and there's no fall in this ditch. There was no fall in this ditch. I made a fall in this ditch. I put a pipe in. There's 80 feet of pipe that runs underneath here. And I used a rotary laser level to get a 2% grade. From the top up there, gradually I actually worked my way up, but all the way down to where that yellow reflector is down there, and there's a pipe that goes under the road. It's managed by the state. I was told by the state to go ahead and put a pipe in under my driveway. They're not responsible for that. Well, in order to make that happen, I had to dig a ditch out. I had a nice smooth 2% grade, smooth bottom. All they had to do was lay a pipe in there and bury it. Instead, they spent untold hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, really thousands of dollars when you consider the equipment and the operators working here half the day to put all this number 4 stone in. And they tell me that water's gonna flow right through that stone. You know what? If it was a steep grade, I'd say, yeah, probably will, but we got almost no fall at all, 2%. 1 foot about for every 50 feet. Well, that water ran real good down through that pipe. Granted, I don't have a lot of flow right now. That's just because it's a little dry. But when it rains, it would run right down through from the top smoothly and quickly, carry all that sediment. They even put stone in this ditch up here. It's awful. There's nothing wrong. There was nothing wrong with this ditch. Could have just graded it out a little bit. It would have been fine. They tell me that this stone's gonna keep erosion under control. I ain't worried about erosion. I want that water to move and carry that sediment with it. It's just gonna plug up. So, this used to be real dug out here across the driveway in order to get the water to run, through. So any low cars would scrape, and it was just awful. And it ponded up real bad, and this winter it iced up and ran out in the road and froze, and people were hitting it at a high rate of speed, and I'm surprised somebody didn't get hurt. Happens every year from what I'm told. Well, I was hoping it wouldn't be this year, but you know what? Unless you come out here and pick some of this number 4 stone, this water ain't gonna run. Thanks for watching. Thanks, PennDOT. Thank you very much.